Looking to unlock exclusive bonuses on MEXC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use the top referral code to get the most out of your trading experience. Let's get started. With the referral code 12K4M5, you're not just signing up, you're getting access to some amazing rewards. Just click the top link in the description below, and this referral code will automatically be applied when you create your account. This ensures you'll get the best possible start on MEXC. Here's how to claim your bonuses. Click the link below this video to go directly to the MEXC sign-up page. Enter your email or mobile number and complete the security verification. Make sure the referral code 12K4M5 is applied during sign-up. This is crucial for claiming your bonuses. Once you've done that, simply set your password and finish creating your account. Just a quick note, this video is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency trading can be risky, so always do your own research before getting started. MEXC is a top-tier exchange offering a wide range of features, from spot trading to futures, with high leverage options for those who know what they're doing. The platform is easy to use, with a clean interface that makes trading a breeze. Plus, with new listings and popular cryptocurrencies available, you'll have plenty of opportunities to grow your portfolio. Don't wait. Use the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 today and unlock your exclusive bonuses. Click the link below, enter the code, and start trading with confidence. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips and exclusive offers. Thanks for watching. Remember, the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 is your key to exclusive rewards. Click the link below to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.